Good afternoon, everyone. I want to warmly welcome you back to this channel. My name is still Mendely, I'm Bob Tibion, and today we are just going to learn how to download, install, and create an account in Mendely. So the first step you have to do is you have to make sure your computer is connected to internet. You can see here. Let me connect mine to internet Wi-Fi. Yeah, my computer is already connected to Wi-Fi. I can now go to my Chrome, Google Chrome. I open it. As you can see, I have to search for Mendely from Google. Search for Mendely. It is here. I click on it. You can see it has opened. Go to Mendely icon. I click on it. You can see it's already here. Download for Windows. You can come and click on it. Download for Windows. You can see here. This sign for downloading has already started. You can, even if I decide to so this one, you just know that there is something downloading from Google Chrome. Let me go to it, and it will take some time to download. You can see here the speed is increasing, so we have to wait for it until it is fully downloaded. It is almost getting done. You can see here. Then try to check when it's already downloaded. It is still in the process. Try to click on it. Try to check. It is almost getting done. It is 279 MB. After downloading, the next step you have to do is just to install it. So it is finally done. Let me click on run. It is installing. Anyone who uses this computer, all the users, let me try to change it here. Go to next. You can see here, user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? If you want, yes. If you want it to make changes, you say yes. If you don't want to make changes, you say no. Let me click on no, and I go to next. Let me try to click yes. It's here. Try to install it. See the place where I can put it. Put it in this folder. So let me try to install it. It is installing. After installing, the next step you have to do is you have to create an account where you put your email and create strong password. It is still installing. wait for it to be fully installed. You can see the icon for Mendely, it's already here. So it is done. Come on here, click on finish. So this one will take us direct to creating Mendely account. Try to finish. It's done. The application for Mendely is already here. Let me try to click on it. It is opening. So we are going to create an account using email and password. This is what I talked of. You have to provide your email here. For instance, let me write my email. At gmail.com. Continue. Given name, try to write my name. Lema. Come to family name. Bob Tibia. And see here. Next thing is creating password. I have to create strong password here. Try to see. Bob. BZ UG 0777 1149 20. You have to register. It's telling me that my password is not correct. So I have 8 characters and contain mix up of upper and lower cases. Let me try to go again. Trying to enter my name. Bob ZUG 112233. Try to go with this one whether it can allow. It is still failing. Still failing. You can see here the password which I created, they already brought for me that is now strong. This password is now strong. I think it can go with this one. Let me try to register again. Okay, again failed. So it has already accessed the password. This is now my Mendely is now loading. You can see here I already created an account on Mendely. Welcome to Mendely Referencing Manager. You can see here. So this is all with Mendely, how to deal with Mendely, how to create, how to download, open up an account and install Mendely on your desktop or on your PC. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for listening. My name still remain Alemabob Tibio. Love you all.